गोंय सरकाराच्या म्हजे घर योजनेअंतर्गत उत्तर गोंय जिल्ह्यातल्या 1000 परस चड लावार्थ्यांक मंगळारा 9 जूनाक अधिकृत आदेश आणि सनदांचे वाटप करतले अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकार अंकित यादव हांणी दिली। पणजे इन्स्टिट्यूट मेनेजीस ब्रागांचा सभाघरात 11 वरांचेर ही कार्यावळ जातली। ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांचे सयत वेगवेगळ्या मतदारसंघाचे आमदार, मंत्री, उपजिल्लोधिकारी आणि मामलेदार हाजीर आसतले। तशेंच उत्तर गोंयांत आपत्ती व्यवस्थापन नियंत्रण कक्ष पुरायपणान सक्रिय केला अशें तांणी सांगलें।
Tomorrow, a special district level program has been organized at Menezes Braganza Hall at 11 a.m. in the morning for distribution of Sanads and ownership right certificates to different beneficiaries under the Mhaje Ghar scheme. So these beneficiaries have been issued the orders and Sanads under different schemes and across different talukas. So all the beneficiaries will be coming to the venue where the program will be conducted. Honorable CM sir, other dignitaries including MLAs, ministers would be attending the program along with concerned officials, deputy collectors, mamlatdars, where these certificates would be issued. Apart from this special drive, separate camps would also be conducted across different talukas and villages, where we would then subsequently issue the orders and sanads under the scheme. So through the press media, I wanted to make the citizens aware that such a drive is being conducted in the district, and more such events would be subsequently conducted. Thank you.
So how many this thing will be given for beneficiaries?
So for tomorrow's program, now we have issued more than 1,000 beneficiaries. More than 1,000 orders have been issued, and many such applications are also. We have received many such applications, and Honorable CM sir had also reviewed, and we are also from our level are reviewing the progress on a monthly basis and or weekly basis, and now we are focusing on ensuring that across all the schemes, whether it is RUCA or any other component, we are issuing the final orders in a time-bound manner. So regularly, I am also reviewing on a weekly basis this performance, and all the applications being disposed in a time-bound manner.